In this video, I just want to share something with you guys of Google's latest release, which is called Nano Banana. And why this is kind of game changing is because previously I would have just used ChatGPT for editing my images, creating new pictures with text. But now we have Nano Banana, which is a really strong competitor. And I want to show it to you live on how I would use this. All right. So it's found in Google AI Studio, and it's one of the models that you can choose from here. Right? Let's say you are working with an e-commerce company or business. And let's say in this case, we work with Stanley and they sell mugs or sorry, cups. Now, I have this picture of me, and what we're going to do is put the product in my hand. Right? This is my image sitting down on a bench, and then we're also going to drag the Stanley cup, and then we're going to type in put the Stanley cup in my hand, holding like I'm about to drink. All right. So let's see what the output will be. Oh, there we go. And the beauty of it was that it only took us 15 seconds to generate this image. And look at that. If we count the fingers, it's only 5 fingers, which is perfect. Before, we would have a lot of problems with the fingers, but now look how close that is to the original one. Right, let me just open the original one. There we go. So see that? That's almost perfect. Hot damn. And if you look closely in the image, even the background was preserved, which is really great. Now, I have this other image of me where I am in my laptop. And while this is great, let's say add make me hold an iPhone that will make me look like I am in a call with someone. Right, let's run that. So this again is the original image. And let's see which arm will it use for the iPhone. Oh, there we go. Holy, that's insane. A while ago, it was on the trackpad, right? And if you're gonna do this in Photoshop or whatever application, it would have taken you like a couple of hours minimum because you need to make sure that the laptop is clean, and you're gonna like try and find an arm photo, adjust it so many times until you get a perfect output. But look at this. My face, it's okay. It looks like me. But hot damn, that took us like a couple of seconds. And it even retained most of the aspects of the photo. Even the freaking lighting looks perfect. Now, you can imagine a ton of use cases for this. It's perfect for creating product photos. If you want to create multiple variations of an image, you can do that. If you're trying to clean a photo, let's actually do that, right? Person in busy city. Let's see if it will be able to clean images properly. Person in busy city with, oh, there we go. Oh, let's pick one with no watermark. All right, how about we actually try and remove the watermark? What would that look like? Remove the watermark and add a taxi in the background. Maintain all other parts of the image. Then, yeah, yeah, I think that's good. Add a pink hat. The beauty of it is like it's super fast. This one is 10 seconds, this one is 15 seconds. Let's see how fast this one is. Now I'm expecting to have like a taxi with a little bit of blurry. Oh, there we go. Oh, that's nice. It did add taxi, although it did not remove the watermark. But like I mean, that looks real. So real. Right, last one. How about we add something a little bit more challenging? Right. So I wanna make it a little bit more challenging. Let's say we've got a busy street like this one. And then I'm gonna give it something that isn't too obvious, right? This one. This is my other image. Put me at the as the subject of the city image with my hands up in the air. I don't know how much this costs, but what I am seeing from other creators, the cost for this is super cheap. There we go. We finally found a bit of a flaw. So it wasn't able to detect that this was my arms. And although like the arms and the texture and the lighting of the hands were perfect, really close to perfect, I think there was just the mismatch between the quality of the other image and this one. But it was nice. But yeah, like you can imagine so much more. But this could be used for a ton of bad things as well. I think you can already imagine people will be using this for creating images and even modifying receipts. But in terms of business use case, even if you don't know anything about AI, as you can see, I only used plain simple English language for this. So go ahead, give it a try, and I think you'll be amazed with the things that you can create with this one.